to the channel. If you're looking for your next side hustle, you're in the right place. Because today we're starting a business from scratch with Print on Demand, or at least theorizing about it. You and I are not going into business together, unfortunately. Drop a comment below if you want to start a business with me. Print on Demand means an item is not created until it's ordered. You're probably familiar with this because every single YouTuber ever is selling merch this way. Check out our merch. I'm just kidding, we don't have merch yet. But this is something that you can use to create a business if you're interested in exploring print on demand. Why is print on demand a good solution for starting a business? Several reasons. Let's go over them now. Print on demand is great because there's no inventory. And because there isn't any inventory, that means that there can be very low overhead for you to get started. And a lot of times you can partner with an established company like, oh my gosh, like Lulu, we do this. You can use Lulu to make print-on-demand books. And then we print and fulfill them, we ship out the orders. In some of our solutions, you can collect customer data and get paid within 24 to 48 hours. So there can be a lot of opportunities for you if you explore print-on-demand as a way to create your business. I know that you're sold on this already, so you could probably turn off this video and go to lulu.com right now to create your free account. But maybe you're thinking, okay, what kind of business would I start? And that's a great question. I actually have a really long list in front of me, but I don't want to bore you with that. So I'm just going to give you a couple examples. Some of the businesses we see at Lulu that are very successful are people that are making planners, notebooks, and journals. Another kind of business you can create is calendars, pets, landscapes, flowers, nature. This can all be great content to put into a calendar. Print on demand can take so many forms. So if you already have an audience or if you have an interest that you would like to create content in, just think about what that might look like in the form of a book and build a whole business from it. I'm just gonna spitball a few ideas. You pick which one resonates with you. Children's books, coloring books, personalized recipe books, cookbooks, personalized fitness plans, memoirs, songbooks, books about books, anthologies, Cliff's Notes. But it's not what you think. Your name is Cliff, and it's a notebook that you made for yourself. Quote books, crazy headlines. Do you live in a town where crazy stuff's happening all the time? Make a book of the craziest headlines from the newspaper from the previous year. The town will love it. Travel guides. Where are the best places to get henna tattoos at Myrtle Beach? Best Broadway shows in Branson, Missouri. Your guide to every single Margaritaville across the United States. Just throw out some terms and I'll tell you how to print on demand it.
Sports puppies.
Sports puppies would make a great calendar.
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot would make a great calendar.
Ghosts.
Ghosts cannot be photographed, but that would be a great book. My point here is this. Make the content one time and then use the magic of print on demand to get that book and product out to your readers, your customers, your friends, and your fans all across the world. All right, so you're sold on print on demand. You're just really eager to get started on making a Guinness Book of World Records, but it's hyper-localized to your little town and how long everyone's rat tails are. Let's figure out how to do that. My cousins had rat tails, so I'm a fan. Here's how to start your custom print on demand business for whatever you fancy. First, you want to go to lulu.com and create an account. It is free. Then after that, you can go to lulu.com/pricing. I love this tool. I recommend everyone start here. It's just a really good place to get an idea of the product that you want to make, understand the price point, and get templates custom to the project you are making. Once you know what product you want to make, use a program like InDesign, MS Word, Atticus, or Affinity Pro to create your interior file, and just make sure you can export it as a PDF for our site. Then you want to create a cover for your project. You can use Lulu's cover creation tool. You can use something like Canva or hire a graphic designer, and then export the cover, front cover, spine, and back cover as one PDF to upload to our platform. Create a new project in your Lulu account and follow the prompts in our publishing platform. Then when everything looks good, be sure to order a proof copy so you can see it IRL, as the kids say, before you make it available for sale. When it is good to go, you can sell it through the Lulu bookstore, you can sell it through global distribution, you can sell it through your own website using Lulu Direct or our print API, and we will put information for all of those options in the description below. All right, so that is how you can start a business from scratch using print on demand. Let us know what questions you have in the comments below. Go to lulu.com now to create your free account and get started, and we'll see you next time.